The holidays are over and the kids are back to school. The local trails are quiet once again. I can wander in peace, listening to the sounds of nature. And as I do, I am reminded of the words of Frédéric Gros from his book, A Philosophy of Walking.
None of your knowledge, your reading, your connections will be of any use here. 2 legs suffice, and big eyes to see with. Walk alone, across mountains or through forests. You are nobody to the hills or the thick boughs heavy with greenery. You are no longer a role or a status, not even an individual, but a body. A body that feels sharp stones on the paths, the caress of long grass and the freshness of the wind. When you walk, the world has neither present nor future. Nothing but the cycle of mornings and evenings. Always the same thing to do all day. Walk. But the walker who marvels while walking, the blue of the rocks in a July evening light, the silvery green of olive leaves at noon, the violet morning hills, has no past, no plans, no experience. He has within him the eternal child. While walking, I am but a simple gaze.